In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to mail link and button in WordPress website. Whether you're managing a personal blog or a professional business site, being able to link directly to an email address is a useful feature. It allows your visitors to reach out to you quickly and conveniently, saving time and improving communication. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so that you can create a clickable email link right within your WordPress site. And don't worry, even if you're new to WordPress, this guide is simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up using the link provided in the description below. Let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress homepage. You can do this by opening your browser and going to www.wordpress.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to log into your WordPress account. To make things easier, select Continue with Google as your sign-in method. This is a quick and secure way to access your account without needing to remember an additional password. Once you've chosen this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts linked to your browser. Click on the account you'd like to use for signing into WordPress. This step ensures that you have the right access to manage and edit your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Quick Links section. It's usually located near the top or middle of the dashboard, depending on your WordPress layout. In this section, find the Edit Site link and click on it. This will take you directly into the editing interface for your website, skipping any unnecessary steps. Now that you're in the editing interface, locate your website from the list of projects displayed. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them all listed here. Click on the website you want to edit. This tells the system that you're ready to make changes to this specific site. Once your website editor opens, navigate to the text area where you want to create the clickable mail link. Highlight the specific text that you want to turn into the link, for example. This could be something like, "Contact us," or your business's name. Highlighting the text ensures that this is the section your visitors will click on to send an email. With the text highlighted, look for the chain link icon within the editor's toolbar. This icon represents the link options. Click on it to open the link settings panel. Now, this part is important. In the field that appears, type the word mail followed by a colon. It should look like this, mail colon. This prefix tells WordPress that the link you're creating is an email link and not a regular web URL. As you type, the system may suggest a mail option. If you see that, select it. This step applies the correct functionality to your link, ensuring that it opens the default email application when clicked. Next, click on the pencil icon next to the link field. This activates editing mode, allowing you to enter the specific email address that the link should point to. Go ahead and type in the email address you want users to contact. For example, it might be something like support@example.com. Once you've entered the email address, double-check that all the information is correct. This is your chance to catch any typos or errors. When everything looks good, click the Save button to confirm your changes. At this point, the highlighted text has been transformed into a functional mail link. Before wrapping up, it's always a good idea to test your new link. Click on it and make sure it opens your computer's default email application with the to field already filled in with the email address you specified. If everything works as expected, congratulations, you've successfully added a clickable mail link to your WordPress website. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to create a click-to-mail link in WordPress that allows visitors to contact you with a single click. If you have any questions about this process or need help with other WordPress features, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.